Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back again for our today's lecture. This is a lecture for class 2, subject English Reader, chapter number 3, and this is lecture number 2 of a term 3 SS book. And our today's topic is the Clever Rabbit book exercise. Means before this lecture, in lecture number 1, I already explained the lesson beta, the whole lesson thoroughly, है ना? And in today's lecture, I will be covering the book exercise. So please be ready. Open your English notebook. There we will write question answers also. I hope you had done word meaning also. And the word one meaning I wrote wrong in Hindi. That was reflection. Reflection means parchai. So I hope you have corrected also, because the same thing I have uploaded in group also. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will discuss contents. So today's contents are beta book exercise. Book exercise, in book exercise what will be covered? True, false, answer the following questions, who said to whom, etc. Means there are many other things also, talk a while, listen a while. These things we will all discuss in today's lecture. Next is previous sum book solution. In previous sum book solution there was only I asked you to read the lesson, and then I assigned you do word meaning also. So the same thing we will discuss in today's lecture. And then last, I will give you homework, means I will assign you homework also in the end of this lecture. So let's start. This was the lesson, the Clever Rabbit, in which I lesson I explained along with word meaning also. Minister Hunt decided, clause, healthier, gently, angered, reflection, and surrounded. So I hope you have done this word meaning also, and the whole lesson I explained, in which the Clever Rabbit, how he get rid of this lion, okay, what was the way he adapted, okay, to get rid of this lion. So this lecture you can watch. It was uploaded on Adfork also. From there you can watch. Otherwise, link I have already shared in the group, because I couldn't take an online class at the time. On online class I will discuss many things. So beta, in the Clever Rabbit, there was a lion, okay, who was very bad, or we can say who was getting old, and he couldn't get food anywhere. So he asked his minister Jab was the jackal, asked him to get food for him somehow, because he was getting old and he couldn't take food from him anymore, okay. That is why the jackal would send animals day by day to him, only to make his satisfy his needs, okay, because we know very well that lion is a carnivorous animal and he eats the flesh of other animals, okay. That is why he would send animals day by day to a lion, and one day he sent a rabbit, and the rabbit was very clever, okay, and he found it a way to get rid of the lion, because of his cleverness he found it the way. And other animals, those who were not clever, they became prey for the animals, okay, वो उसका शिकार बन चुके थे. But he couldn't hunt rabbit, but he lost his life himself after when he fell down in the well, okay. And in this way he get himself safe from the he could save himself from the lion also. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss only book exercise. So let's start. First of all, we will start with show what you know. True, false. Lal could not hunt his prey. Means Lal the lion could not hunt his prey. मतलब वो अपना शिकार नहीं कर पाया. So it is true. So you will write here true. Okay. Jab was Lal's minister. It was Lal's minister. Okay, apostrophe you will have to mention here. Jab was Lal's minister. Yes, it is also true. Jab was jackal, okay. All animals walked out of the jungle to get rid of the lion. All animals walked out of the jungle to get rid of the lion. Is it true? No, it is false, because all the animals became prey for of Lal, but only who made himself free from the lion, that was rabbit only, not all the animals. The lion ate all the animals of the jungle. All the animals of the jungle? No. He ate few animals, and after that he lost his life. That is false, sorry. Next is, the rabbit took Lal to the well. Is it true? द रैबिट टुक लाल टू द वेल, जो रैबिट था वो लाल को लेके कुएं के पास गया. यस, इट्स ट्रू. लाल सॉ आ डंकी इन द वेल, लाल ने मतलब लायन ने डंकी देखा वेल में, कुएं में. डिड ही सी आ डंकी इन द वेल? नो, ही सॉ another lion in the well. It is false. So these are the true false. First is true, second is also true, third is false, fourth is also false, fifth is true, sixth is false. Now we will doing question answers in English notebook. Answer the following questions. Okay. Why did Jab call all the animals? Jab ने सारे animals को क्यों बुलाया? So first of all we will get the answer of this question, and accordingly we will get answer of all 6 questions. So write first answer. Why did Jab call all the animals? Jab called all the animals and asked them to go to lion to become his food. Okay, so we will write Jab called all the animals and asked them to go to the lion one by one for his food. Okay, so this is your answer number 1. Jab called all the animals and asked them to go to the lion one by one for his food. जैब ने सारे एनिमल्स को बुलाया और उनसे कहा कि वो लायन के पास जाएं वन बाय वन, इसके लिए उसके फूड बनने के लिए. ओके, बिकॉज द लायन वॉज गेटिंग ओल्ड, दैट इज वाई ही आस्क्ड जैब. जैब वॉज हिज मिनिस्टर. सो दिस इज योर आंसर नंबर 1. ओके, दिस इज योर आंसर नंबर 1 बेटा. नाउ प्लीज राइट आवर आंसर नंबर 2. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज वाई डिड लाल गेट एंग्री. लाल जो था वो एंग्री क्यों हुआ, गुस्सा क्यों हो गया. लाल, हु वॉज लाल? लाल वॉज लायन. तो लायन गुस्सा क्यों हुआ. नाउ राइट ऑन आंसर नंबर 2. लाल गॉट एंग्री बिकॉज Rolly became late, or we can say Rolly reached late to him. Okay, so correct answer is Lal got angry because Rolly reached late to him. Who was Rolly? Rolly was the rabbit. लाल इससे भी गुस्सा हो गया क्योंकि जो रॉली था उसके पास में वो लेट पहुंचा. किसके पास में? लायन के पास में. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज लाल गॉट एंग्री बिकॉज रॉली रीच्ड लेट टू हिम. Now question number 3 is what did Rolly show the lion? Rolly ने lion को क्या शो किया? Answer number 3 is Rolly showed a deep मतलब गहरा, deep well to the lion. So answer is Rolly showed a deep well to the lion. Rolly ने लायन को एक गहरा कुआं शो किया, मतलब दिखाया। दिस इज आंसर नंबर 3। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट डिड लाल सी इन द वेल? लाल ने कुएं में क्या देखा? व्हाट डिड लाल सी इन द वेल? आंसर इज लाल saw his own reflection in the well. Lal saw his own reflection in the well. Okay, Lal saw his own reflection in the well. Question number 5, what did Lal do to kill the other lion? लाल ने दूसरे लायन को मारने के लिए क्या किया? What did Lal do to kill the other lion? So answer number 5 is Lal jumped, मतलब छलांग लगा दी, jumped into the well to kill the other lion. Okay, so Lal jumped into the well to kill the other lion. लाल ने कुएं में छलांग लगा दी, किसके लिए? टू किल द अदर लायन, दूसरे लायन को मारने के लिए। लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू थिंक देयर वाज अनदर लायन इन द वेल? क्या आप सोचते हो कि लायन मतलब वेल में दूसरा लायन था? So answer is no, there was not another lion in the well. It was his own shadow, or we can say his own reflection. Okay, so the answer is no, there was not other lion in the well, it was his own shadow, or we can say it was his own reflection. कुएं में कोई दूसरा लायन नहीं था, वो उसकी खुद की परछाई थी बेटा। ओके, that he could see in the well. नाउ सी पार्ट इज हु सेड टू whom, मतलब किसने किससे कहा, हु सेड टू whom. सो दिस पार्ट यू विल डू योरसेल्फ बेटा। आई हैव गॉट ओल्ड, मैं बूढ़ा हो चुका हूँ। हु सेड टू whom, किसने कहा और किससे कहा। यू विल राइट हेयर हु सेड एंड टू whom. ओके, सो यू विल राइट आंसर हेयर करेक्टली। ही सेड ही वुड किल यू, उसने कहा वो तुम्हें मार देगा। ये किसने कहा, किससे कहा। यू कैन सी हिम देयर, हु सेड टू whom, वेयर इज द लाइन, हु सेड टू whom. So this part you will do yourself. Okay, I will not help you out in this because it's very easy. You will do it yourself. Instead taking help of your parents also, you will do it yourself. If somewhere you stuck, then only you can seek help from your parents. Otherwise, this is your duty to complete it yourself. Okay. Next part is, this is your word smart part. Cross the odd one out and this is the this printed incorrectly, so you will write here right. Okay, WRITE, right. Cross the odd one out and write why it is different from the rest. One has been done for you. तो आपको odd one out को अलग करना है, क्रॉस करना है और बताना है कि वो उससे अलग क्यों है। दैट्स जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one has been done for you, lion, elephant, tiger and cow. Here you can see lion, elephant, tiger. Can we keep them at home? No, they are not domestic animals, but cow is domestic animal. So we will say cow is a domestic animal, the rest are wild. So the odd one is cow. Cow को क्रॉस करना है क्योंकि cow इन सबसे अलग है। Why? Because cow is domestic animal and the rest are wild. These are wild animals. They live in jungle and forest, and we can't make them live in our house. If we ask them to live in our house, they can kill us. Like lion can kill us, tiger can also kill us, but we can't keep lion elephant also, but it can't harm us, but sometimes it can harm. Okay, so that is why cow is a domestic animal and the rest are wild. So this is the odd one out. Let's start with second. Monkey, fish, squirrel and elephant. Now you will tell me which one is the odd one and why. Monkey, it's animal. Fish is amphibian, means that lives in water. Squirrel is also a type of means animal, and elephant is also an animal. So tell me which one is the odd one. So if I tell you correct answer, then we can say fish is odd one. Why? Because fish lives in water. You can write fish lives in water, and other are land animals. Other are land animals. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Fish lives in water and other are land animals. That is why fish is odd one out here. Now peacock, parrot, bear and pigeon. Which one is the odd one out? As you can see here, parrot, peacock is a bird, parrot is also a bird, pigeon is also a bird, but bear is not a bird, bear is an animal. So you can say bear is an animal, other are birds. So odd one is bear. So you can write bear is an animal, other are birds. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now last is snake, lizard, cockroach and ant. Which one is the odd one here? Lizards, cockroach and ant, they all have means their legs to walk, but here snake can't walk, snake can't walk with the help of his legs. Why? Because snake has no legs. So odd one is snake. You can write snake. Snake can only crawl. Okay, वो crawl कर सकता है snake. So you can write snake doesn't have legs. That is why it is odd one out. And others have legs. Okay, so this is the correct answer. This we had already done. Now let's move to B part of word smart. Let's we do B part. The rabbit was clever. He showed cleverness. What do these words show? Rabbit जो था वो clever था, चालाक था. He showed his cleverness. That is why he showed his cleverness. इसलिए उसने चालाकी को दिखाया. What does these words show? ये words क्या show करते हैं? ठीक है. If somebody is smart, तो अगर वो कोई smart है तो अपनी क्या दिखाएगा वो अपनी? He will show his smartness. You can write here smartness. If somebody is lazy, then what will he show? He will show his laziness. LAZINESS, laziness. These are the quality that we are showing. If somebody is smart, he will show his smartness. If somebody is lazy, he will show his laziness. If somebody is soft, then he will show his softness. Okay, in the same manner, if somebody is polite, he will show his politeness. If somebody is gentle, he will show his gentleness. And if somebody is rude, he will show his rudeness. So you can write accordingly here. Okay, these answers I will not write, you will write yourself. Polite, politeness. Gentle, gentleness. And rude will become rudeness. Okay, now let's come to language smart. Okay, language smart means how much capable you are in your language also, how much do you understand the things, and we can say it is a grammar part. Okay, comparison, as you can see here, two letters also written here, ER. Comparison is तुलना करना, means compare करना. Comparison can between the two person among all. ये दो पर्सन के बीच में हो सकता है, या फिर एक पर्सन का पूरे क्लास के साथ में, या फिर सबके साथ में भी कंपैरिजन हो सकता है. ओके, Sometimes we add er to the describing words to show comparison. Like इसने बोला है कि कभी कभी हम डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स मीन्स एडजेक्टिव. ओके, तो एडजेक्टिव्स जो होते हैं बेटा, एडजेक्टिव्स मीन्स दैट विच शोज योर क्वालिटी. ओके, ह्यूमन की क्वालिटी को शो करते हैं. कभी कभी उसमें हम er लगा के हम कंपैरिजन शो करते हैं. अगर हम इसमें er ऐड कर रहे हैं दैट मीन्स वी आर कंपेयरिंग ओनली टू पर्सन. ओके, वन विद अनदर वन. ओके, मीन्स वी आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन टू पीपल और टू पर्सन. यू कैन से हम दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं. लाइक द लायन वॉज स्मार्ट बट द रैबिट वॉज स्मार्टर. जो लायन था वो स्मार्ट था, लेकिन जो रैबिट था वो स्मार्टर था. किससे? लायन से. तो वी आर कंपेयरिंग टू एनिमल्स हियर, लायन एंड रैबिट. द फर्स्ट वॉज स्मार्ट एंड सेकेंड वॉज स्मार्टर. सो वी आर एडिंग हियर er. यू कैन सी हियर. इन द सेम मैनर द रोर ऑफ लाल वॉज लाउड. जो रोर थी, जो दहाड़ना थी या फिर गरजाहट थी लाल की, वो लाउड थी, वो तेज थी. बट द रोर ऑफ द लायन इन द वेल वॉज लाउडर. लेकिन जो दूसरा लायन था वेल में, कुएं में, उसकी जो आवाज़ थी वो लाउडर थी, उससे भी ज़्यादा तेज थी. तो वी आर कंपेयरिंग वन लाइन टू अदर लाइन एंड इन विच सेकेंड लाउड हैज़ er in the end. So it became comparative degree. Okay, so this we are discussing here comparative degree. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative degree. Here I am not going to discuss with you in detail, but I am going to discuss only few points. Comparison is तुलना करना. Okay, it can between two person or can between one person to other one also. This is comparative degree in which we are comparing only two person, and this is superlative degree in which we are comparing one person to other also, means among the all. Okay, so we are today in this lecture we will discuss only two, in which we are comparing between two person only. If we are comparing two person, then we have to add er. Okay, like short will become shorter, loud will become louder, smart will become smarter, and so on. ऐसे ही ये चलता रहेगा आगे. Okay, so this we are comparing two person only in comparative degree. वन इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री. अगर ये शॉर्ट, लाउड, स्मार्ट अगर ऐसे ही एडजेक्टिव एज इट इज आ जाते हैं तो वी कैन से देम दीज आर पॉजिटिव डिग्री. पॉजिटिव मतलब इसमें हम कुछ भी कंपेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं किसी पर्सन के साथ में, कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है, तो इट बिकेम पॉजिटिव डिग्री. लेकिन अगर हम टू पर्सन में कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो इट विल बिकम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जो हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं अगर वो दो पर्सन के बीच में कर रहे हैं तो इट विल बिकम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड er. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जिसमें हम क्या ऐड करते हैं est. ओके, दिस आई विल नॉट डिस्कस विद यू हियर बिकॉज दिस इज अ ग्रामर पार्ट इन ग्रामर बुक. ओके, इन ग्रामर you will learn about this or you will be knowing about this in detail. Okay, this we will discuss by Pooja ma'am, or when you come in class 3 also this will be discussed by other teacher also. Okay, so I am not going to make you confused here. Okay, I don't want to be confused here. So but I am going to describe here comparative degree. Comparative degree matlab in which we are comparing only two person and we are going to add er. What we are going to add? Er. Okay, so let's start. This exercise you will do yourself. See, it is given on page number 30. Observe the following pictures and make sentences to show comparison as given. Here you can there is a comparison between two person or two things, banana and coconut. Tall is adjective here. It is given here the banana tree is tall but the coconut tree is taller. Okay, the banana tree is tall but the coconut tree is taller. Here we are comparing to कि बनाना का जो ट्री है वो टॉल है, लंबा है, चलो ठीक है, लेकिन बट जो कोकोनट का ट्री है वो बनाना से भी लंबा है. तो मीन्स वी आर कंपेयरिंग कोकोनट ट्री विद बनाना, तो कोकोनट ट्री के लिए हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे टॉलर. ओके, er वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इन द सेम मैनर. बेटा यू आर गोइंग टू डू 1, 2 and 3 exercise yourself. This part you will be doing yourself long. Here you can see a snake and a caterpillar. Okay, snake and a caterpillar. So this you will make yourself. I will not help you out here. Second is red box and blue box. जो जिससे बड़ा है उसके लिए आप, या फिर जो जिससे छोटा है उसके लिए आप शॉर्ट या शॉर्टर, या फिर इसमें भी आप लॉन्ग या लॉन्गर, जैसे यहाँ पे दे रखा है लॉन्ग तो आप लॉन्ग के लिए लिखोगे, यहाँ पे स्मॉल दे रखा है तो आप स्मॉल के लिए लिखोगे. ओके, तो जिसका जो चीज़ आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो उसके लिए आप लिखोगे इनको. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने फर्स्ट उसमें बताया था. दिस यू विल डू योर सेल्फ. 1, 2 and 3rd part is also given here below, so you will do it yourself. This is your today's homework. So this is your today's homework, beta. Okay, and the things which are left in this lecture we will be discussing in summary lecture. So stay tuned there in lecture number 3. Previous homework solution was, this was your previous homework solution. Word meaning of the clever rabbit. Minister is मंत्री, hunt is शिकार करना, decided is निर्णय किया, clause is पंजे, healthier is उससे स्वस्थ, gently is आराम से, angered is गुस्सा हुआ, reflection is परछाई. Here this I wrote wrong, परछाई in Hindi, so you have to correct it. Surrounded is घिर गया. So I am going to rub it off. Okay, and write in place of this you can write परछाई. Like this it can be written. Okay, sorry for this because I don't know how to write. I asked from other teachers also. So reflection is परछाई. In this way you can write. Okay, your Hindi teacher told me that परछाई can be written like this, so you can write परछाई like this, and surrounded is घिर गया. So this is a previous homework solution. This part was left. Now add er to the following words to show comparison and see how they change. Don't forget to change y into I. So here you have to add er. And how will you add er? If there is y, then you have to change in I. Happy, happier, healthy, healthier, ugly, uglier, easy, easier. You can see here y. In place of y you will interchange that, or you will in place of y you will add I. Okay, so first I will do for you, that is happy, then it will become happier, HAPPIER. Okay, so this is your comparative degree. It's a positive degree, it is comparative degree. And if I ask you to write superlative degree, then happy, happier and happiest, in which you will going to add est. Okay, this you will not discuss here. So this you will do yourself. And the thinking capstone and the other things we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Bye bye and take care, my dear students.